Welcome to Mother Trucker News. I appreciate all the thousands of watchers and listeners out there. Please email us at muthatruckernews@gmail.com and we'll go ahead and we'll share your information. Anything that's new, updated, or just something that you want to share from your trucking career. Yeah, please email us at muthatruckernews@gmail.com. I've had a lot of truck drivers send me links and also ask for updates about the news article that I reported on March 14th, where I said that there were two head-on collision with a International and a 99 Peterbilt, and where 3 people passed away. And so people just asked me, what was the update on that? What happened? So I just want to get everybody up to pace. As the news article read, 3 killed in head-on semi-truck crash. Troopers in Dewey County are investigating a deadly crash that killed 3 people. Around 2 p.m. on March 13th, emergency crews were called to an accident along US 270 just northwest of Oakwood in Dewey County. The International semi-truck, driven by 29-year-old Corden Sandridge, was heading northbound on US 270 when it went left of the center for an unknown reason. It hit a 1999 Peterbilt semi-truck driven by 39-year-old Martin Rodriguez Rojo head-on in the southbound lane. As the result of the crash, the Peterbilt semi-truck rolled and left the road, while a 2012 Ecoline also left the road to avoid the collision. Both semi-trucks, Sandridge and Rodriguez Rojo, were pronounced dead at the scene of the crash. A passenger in the 2016 semi-truck and 21-year-old Lexawan Dinder was flown to an Oklahoma City hospital in critical condition. Denner was pronounced dead at the hospital on March 14th. At this point, troopers are still trying to figure out what caused the crash. They weren't able to figure out what was the unknowns. But from that, Martin Rodriguez Rojo, he had his funeral, and he was survived by his wife, Bertha Rodriguez, son, Martin Rodriguez, daughter, Ane Rodriguez. And so they already had the funeral. And as the situation for this beautiful couple here, they couldn't get home. So, the family reached out to truckersfinalmile.org, which I'll put links down below. I mean, it's a truck driver that has this organization, and he just helps truck drivers get home to their families. At the time, March 24th, it said breaking over the road truck driver, Mr. Corden SH, 29, and his bride, Lexawan, age 21, passed away in a tractor-trailer crash north of Weatherford, Oklahoma. The couple are survived by 4 children. Corden and Lexawan's family have asked Truckers Final Mile to help get them home to their respective hometowns near South Haven, Mississippi, and Magnolia, Arkansas, to be laid to rest. And so nobody heard any news after that, but they were able to donate. And from that, Corden's wife, which was the passenger, was reunited with her family in near Magnolia, Arkansas. And they were planning their service mid-April. And so as far as her husband, they finally got him home. And they just updated this yesterday. Over-the-road truck driver Mr. Corden S. has been reunited with his family near South Haven, Mississippi. Service will be Saturday, April 15th at 1 p.m. Westside Church of Christ. Corden families wishes to thank everyone that donated for the many, many comments offering prayers and condolences. And so from a extremely sad story, it comes to that, truck drivers got together, helped out this family, were able to get the husband and wife home. Prayers to the Rodriguez family. They were able to get their husband home. And so this comes to a rest, but it's just sad that these trucking companies can't get or won't get their drivers home.